The proper fit for a harness requires several steps. The very first step before you even put your harness on is important, and that is emptying your pockets. If you have items in your pockets, it's going to prevent your harness from having the correct fit on the leg straps. Step number 2 is to hold your harness by the D-ring in the back so that you can get an idea for which straps are supposed to go where. Sometimes if you have a harness all bunched up, it can be a little bit difficult to assess where you're supposed to put your arms or your legs. So holding it by this back D-ring helps give it the shape that it's supposed to eventually be in on your body. The next step is to put your arms through the armholes. I sling it on, kind of like a backpack. And now I have sort of the general fit or drape of the harness on me. This makes it a lot easier to be able to tell which buckle goes where. I start top to bottom. So I start with my chest strap here and snap it in place. This particular harness has a clasp system where this clasp goes through this hole and then it rests and snaps into here. When you hear that snap, you know that it's seated properly. Then I go to my waist strap. This strap is the same thing. It goes through the hole, comes back around, and sits with one clasp cradling inside the other. You pull back and you can hear that snap, and then you know you've seated it properly. Lastly, I go for my leg straps. This strap gets buckled right up here by my hip, through the hole, hear the snap. Same thing for the other side. I go through this clasp, pull back and hear the snap, and now I'm all buckled in. A good way to tell whether or not your harness is too tight or too loose is to do the hand test. If you put your hand through the strap of your harness and make a fist and pull back and you can't get the fist out, then your harness is just right. If, on the other hand, you're trying to put your hand through this strap and you can't fit it, then your harness is far too tight. You need to loosen it. Alternately, if you're putting your hand through the harness, making a fist, pulling back up, and it can pull out, then your harness is too loose and needs to be tightened up. The first step to safety with your harness is ensuring that you have the correct fit. By the time your harness needs to be used in an instance of a fall, it's too late to check if you have the correct fit. This is something that you need to do before every single use of your harness. Every morning before you get up on the roof, you need to recheck and make sure that you have the right fit for all of your straps on your harness before getting on the roof. This refit process before each use becomes especially important seasonally. When you change your clothing for warmer weather or cooler weather, you have more layers or less layers, and this changes the fit of your harness on your body.